This spicy salmon marinade adds loads of flavor to your salmon. So if you're a spicy food lover and you like salmon as much as I do, this is one you absolutely gotta try. So today we're gonna grill. Let's do it. For the awesome salmon marinade, we have a 1/4 cup soy sauce. We have a 1/4 cup olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil here. And we have 3 tablespoons of a spicy brown mustard. And you can use other mustards, but I love the taste of the spicy brown. This is very good. And we have a couple tablespoons of honey. And we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. It's about a juice from half of a lemon. And for a spicy factor, here I have a chopped up, and you can mince it if you want, serrano pepper. Nice and spicy. And I have about 4 cloves of minced garlic. And you can add more garlic if you want to. Gorgeous garlic. And I have a teaspoon of dried oregano. And I have a teaspoon of spicy red pepper flakes. And just go ahead and whisk. You're gonna whisk it all together, scrape it off the bottom there, and just get it nice and consistent. All right, so next, go ahead and pour your salmon marinade over your salmon, like so. And you can use a shallow bowl or use like a baggie so that you can get everything covered. Get this nice and covered up. All right, let's talk about ratios and heat factor. You can easily vary up some of the ratios that you want to. For example, I didn't use any salt in this recipe because the soy sauce has quite a bit of saltiness. But if you're using like a low sodium, you can add a little bit of salt to it. You can also add a little bit more soy sauce or a little bit less if you want to. If you like the mustard flavor, add a bit more mustard. And for the heat factor, I'm using serrano peppers and spicy chili flakes. So if you're looking for an even hotter version, you can add more serrano. You can use hotter peppers like habanero or, hey, ghost peppers, you crazy chili head guys. Hot sauce, of course, you know me and my hot sauce. Or you can go with a milder version and use something like a jalapeno and even skip the red chili flakes to kind of get douse that heat factor just a little bit. All right, got the salmon marinating. I'm gonna go ahead and marinate for 1 hour. I'm gonna cover it and put it in the refrigerator. You can get away with doing a 15 to 20 minute marinade if you're in a hurry, but you'll get better flavor penetration with a good hour marinade. So let's talk about cooking the salmon. You can really use any cut of salmon for this. You can use skin on or cutlets. And cooking the salmon really any way you want to. You can bake your marinated salmon, you can pan sear it. But today, I'm gonna go ahead and grill the salmon. We're gonna have some amazing grilled marinated salmon today, so let me fire up the grill. So for grilled salmon, you guys, you should cook it for at least 4 to 5 minutes per side. You really want to cook it to a minimum internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you like the spicy salmon marinade, you got to try my spicy shrimp marinade. I'll cue that up after this. It's absolutely perfect for any type of shrimp. You can cook it up any way you want to. It adds lots of flavor. So check that out. And thanks for coming today to my kitchen. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I really hope to see you again in the kitchen next time. So take it easy, guys. I'll see you around. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye. All right, time to eat. I'm so lucky. You gotta try this. It's so good.